Today we are going to be unboxing the Lil Cooperccino shop. And this box is a cat subscription box, so if you have cats and are looking for something to get them, stick around and see what comes in this box. Welcome to Subscriptions Galore. My name is Kristen and I unbox all things subscriptions: men's, women's, kids, food, beauty, toys, pet boxes, you name it, I unbox it, and if I haven't, I probably will be soon. Today we have Lil Cooperccino shop. This is my first time unboxing them and they did send it to me in the mail. So let's talk a little bit about them before we unbox it. Lil Cooperccino is a Catnip toy subscription and they come in two different size boxes, the one cat box or multiple cat boxes, and they are quarterly, so you're not going to get them every month. It would be 4 times a year that you get them, which is nice. That way you're not getting overwhelmed with cat toys. Depending on the subscription, like food boxes, I like them to come every month, but other subscriptions, like other subscriptions, sometimes you can get overwhelmed with having too many items coming month to month and you don't use them all. So I do like the quarterly boxes for that reason. You don't get overwhelmed. The one cat box is $22 and the multiple cat box is $35. I believe this is the multiple cat box. So all the toys in here have catnip in them. They are handmade with organic catnip. You also get a piece of jewelry and like a collar bandana for your cats. So a little something extra to dress up you and your cat. On the inside it says meow and forever. Can you see that? That is cute. I can smell the catnip. Okay. They have a little Etsy shop. They're on Etsy, eBay, Facebook, and Instagram if you would like to buy some of their items. I will link their website down below as always, and then I'll also have a link to their Etsy shop if you want to check that out. We have another card in here with this month's quarterly theme, which is Meow and Forever. And it tells you what is in this box. They don't have pricing or anything like that, so I will try to find their pricings online. And here is this box. It is full. So let's start with on top. We have these 2 little triangles. The one side is polka dots, and then this other side has little flowers on it. And then this other one is pink leopard, and then this one's polka dots. Super cute. These are their scarves. So because cats are so tiny, it'd be hard to like tie a little scarf to it like you would a dog. So they just slip your collar, you would just slip their collar right through this hole, and then they would be able to wear this little scarf around their neck, you know, like that, in the back, wherever you want it. Super cute. I would not use these, mainly because our cats are outside cats, and I wouldn't want them getting these caught on anything and getting stuck or anything like that. But if you have inside cats, these would be super cute. I have friends that have inside cats, so I will be sharing these and some of the items in this box with them, just because I don't need everything that's in here, so I'm going to pass on some of the love. So first off, we have 2 extra large kickers, and they're stuffed pretty densely, and you can feel the catnip throughout it, and you can definitely smell the catnip. This one is super cute. Cats wearing flowers and like flower type crowns on it. And then this one is just more cats with mice and teacups and hearts, and very pretty cute pattern. And then we have these small pillow toys. We have 6 of them. So the first one is just a plain white, let me see if you is it focused? It's just plain white with little cat faces and hearts on it. This one is pink with paw prints and little cats around it. And then this one has little cats and fish, and the cat says, "I meow you." Then our last three pillow toys. This one is a kitty unicorn. This one is just has cats chasing balls of yarn. And then this one just has more cat faces all over it. Those are cute. They smell like catnip. I can smell it so strong. Our cats have never had catnip that I know of, so I don't know how they're going to react. I will film one of our cats, or maybe both of them, playing with these and see how they react. Do they like them? You know, what they do. Who knows? They're outside cats. Sometimes they intensely love toys, and then other times they look at the cat toys and go, just stare at them and then stare at you like, what am I going to do with this thing? And next in the bag we have two little bags of catnip, loose catnip. Again, I've never used catnip. I've never given them to my cats. So I want to know how to use this catnip. If you would, do they eat it? Do they, I don't know. Like, I would have to figure out what to do with this because I have no earthly idea. And there's no, not recipe cards, but no idea cards. That would be great if they had some sort of like, hey, sprinkle it here or put it in this toy or whatever, you know, little helpful tips on what to use catnip for, because all I know is cats like it. That's about it. I don't know much of anything about catnip. Then lastly is our jewelry piece, and you guessed it, it is a cat theme. This is a cute little cat necklace, glittery thing. It does feel like it's just like, it feels like it's resin poured into a mold. It doesn't feel like it's that expensive of a necklace. It has a super long chain though. Yeah, it's so long you can't even see it. But if I were to wear it, that's what it is. I don't know if I would ever wear a necklace like this just to wear it. My daughter though would probably love this necklace. So to me it's more on the cheap kitty side of things. It's not my style, but you know, if it's your style then you might be happy to have it. And this was my first box, so I don't know what other kinds of jewelry they put in their boxes, if it's all this kind of plasticky style jewelry or if it's other things. I don't know. But I mean, it's kind of cute. Just not for me. I like it. I think it's cute. I think if you have inside cats and you're a cat lover, this box would be great. From everything I've heard, cats love catnip. I just don't know how to use it. So it would be nice to have some like idea card or something for the loose catnip. But otherwise I have to go research it online and figure it out. So that is it. I will put the total value of the box compared to the cost of the box, like what I paid for it versus if I bought all the items off of Etsy, what I would pay for them all, just so you guys can see the difference of the value comparison, just like I always do. Thank you for watching. I hope you have a wonderful day. Bye.